Let's start our tutorial today. Let's go to Google Chrome. Go to Google. In the search bar, we look for full page screen capture Chrome. Enter. And then we go to full page screen capture under Google Chrome extension. Click on it. We click Add to Chrome extension. So we have a demo video here. You can check out later. So we can have a try. This is the example. After we click this to capture the screen. Okay, we try another example again. This page have a lot of information. You can see. We click the icon again to capture the full screen. So it's running. It will be running automatically. So this is the full web page for Yahoo. So we can just download PDF or download the image or the file and some of the option, the format, directory. Okay. We download, have a look. Need to allow the permission. Okay, and then we open it. This is the full web page we captured just now. Okay, thank you for watching.